Hi, this is a short video just to show you how you can make box plots for your simulation results. So all you need to do is to go into Excel, and I've just made up some data here, but what you want to do is to develop a two-column spreadsheet. So the first column is I call wins, and the second is simulation. So whatever you use here, it's better to have it as some sort of text rather than a number, so you don't confuse data. So I just chose to use 1 and 2 written out. So I've got all the data here. So I've got my 12 simulations for the second round of settings, and then 12 for the first round. And so I just save that as an Excel file. So I've already done that. You can see I just called it simulation analysis. And you can save it as .xls or .xlsx. Either way is fine. So all I got to do now is to go into Stata. So I've got Stata open over here. So we'll go to that, and I just go up to File and do Import. And you can see Excel spreadsheet is here. So I'll just choose that. I'm going to browse to my file, which should be here, and I open it up. Now be careful here, because what you want to do is to make sure you click import first row as variable names. Otherwise it's going to think you have mixed columns of text and data, numeric data. So just say import first row as variable names, and that's really all I've got to do. So I'll say OK. And now you can see that I have my two variables have been imported. And you can do like we often do, is just to issue a quick describe command. So you can see that I've got my 24 observations, two variables. So I'm pretty much set. Now to make the box plot, all I've got to do is to go up to graphics and choose box plot. And I want to graph wins, but I want to separate the two simulations. So I'm going to choose by, and I need to click the draw subgraphs there, and I'll go down and pick simulation, and I'll say OK. And there they are. And remember, what we can do is to save these as various kinds of graphics. So I'm going to save this as a JPEG. So simulation results, we'll call it. Save that. And then for my presentation, what I can do is, or your presentation tomorrow, you can make a PowerPoint presentation of just 2 or 3 or 4 slides, whatever you want. Let's go and do a new PowerPoint here. So obviously all I need to do is just to insert that graphic, which I've already saved. Go back to here, and it should be sitting right there, and I'll insert that, and there I've got it. So that's all you need to do to get the box plots for the two simulations done. And the nice thing about it is, again, you're going to see both the central tendency of the data, so you can see the median for the first simulation is higher than the median for the second, and we can also see that the variability it looks like about the same by eye. So the two strategies that I used in these simulations seem to be about equally variable.